This entire website was built with Gemini 3.5 Flash. And the best part, I didn't spend hours of writing prompt. I created complete workflow documents, gave Gemini my custom instructions, and it built almost everything from me. Let me just show you how exactly I did it. This is called Lula avocado oil, which sells 100% pure avocado oil. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna collect the details of each section and create a similar website. And I have already created the markdown files to create that website, like the data we needed. And I have used the Ask Gemini feature to collect the whole data from this website, and I have collected and stored in our markdown files. First we have the section data lulaoil.md file, which has the details of every section. It has about 12 sections actually. And then there is a universal instruction.md file, and I'm gonna show you how to use the instruction.md file properly. And then there is section motion data md file, which has the details of 2 motions we need to add in our website. Finally, the 3d model.md file, which are the details of creating that 3D model. And we're gonna use these markdown files to create the perfect website. So let's get started. Before start, don't forget to grab all the assets in the description, and I have also created a guide in the description where I talk about how to create prompts. So now let's build the front end. We're gonna use Gemini 3.5 Flash to build the front end. But before that, let's add the instructions. So here in the settings, make sure you are using Gemini 3.5 Flash and React framework. Here you can see the custom instructions. Just tap on it. Here we're gonna upload the instructions we have created. I mean these instructions, and I'm gonna just add that, and we have added that instruction right over here, and then save changes, and that's it. And then we're gonna just paste the prompt. So this is the front end creating prompt, and we have to add the 3 important markdown files. Just upload that 3, and I have added the 3 documents and the instruction on the settings. Now let's just build it, and this is gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes, and just like that it's done. Let me just full screen it. So this is a full screen, and when we scroll down, the header is working, and this is our 3D element we created using Gemini 3.5 Flash. When we scroll, watch it carefully, you can see it's rotating and showing in the whole bottle. And that's a cool feature I have to add in this premium website. I just want to show you how easy it is to create the 3D elements using Gemini. And after that, when you scroll, I want to show you one more feature it has, which is the scrolling feature in the testimonial section. Before we end this video, I want to change our hero section. I mean, the hero section looks so generic. In other sections look premium, but the hero section looks so generic, so I want to change that. For that, let's add some video. I mean, adding a video in this hero section changes everything. So let's add a video. For that, so for finding a video, I mean, in the past it's called the Freepik. Now it's changed to Magnific, and in here I just searched like cooking, and here I selected to premium to free, and then only AI generator. And here you can see these are the videos AI generator. Wait, it's free. So these are the videos AI generator, which is completely free. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this video in our hero section. For that, first let's just download it in 4K, absolutely 4K. Now we're gonna convert this video to image sequence from going to isGIF. So here we are at isGIF, and upload the video file. Then tap on the blue button which says upload video. Turn this down to 20, and then convert to JPG. Then after done, just download in zip file. Then extract that file to normal file and move it to our assets. Just like that, we have add all the frames to our asset folder, and all we need to do is just play this as a video in our hero section. After only the fixing is done, before adding that video in our hero section, let's make sure our hero section is flexible for adding that video, I mean image sequence. Paste the prompt. This will make sure flexibility, and that's done. Now let's implement the image sequence. Paste the prompt and enter, and it's done. As you can see, this is how you can create a premium 3D e-commerce website using Gemini 3.5 Flash. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you again with the next awesome video next time. Thank you for watching.